Hi, Baba. Hi, Baba.
This is Bailey Rose, and she's going to take her bath. We're going to get ready for her Christmas photo shoot today.
Oh,
She just made a big,
Bailey loves water.
she just made a big poo-poo, so we're going to clean her up.
Oh,
Little Johnson's baby shampoo.
let me see.
Little Johnson's baby shampoo.
Oh,
This is what I wash her hair with because it's no more.
Bailey, you stink. Ooh, you stink. You went to the bathroom. Ooh, she likes the water, honey.
She's excited. She loves.
Ooh.
Bailey loves to take a bath.
Hi, Baba.
And we usually sing a song. It's called "Taking a Bath is Loads of Fun," and we're gonna sing it for you. Here
Ready?
we go. Taking a bath is
Loads
loads of fun,
loads of fun,
loads of fun. Taking a bath is loads of fun because we get so clean, and we get so clean.
Ha, yeah, Bailey. Bailey, you're cute.
Taking a bath is loads of fun, loads of fun, loads of fun. Taking a bath is loads of fun because we get so clean. Yay, we get so clean.
Bailey, that water is not for drinking. You get your tongue out for it. Oh, Bailey.
And I use the Baby Magic.
Baby
and
Magic.
Body wash.
Body wash?
And this is what gets them so clean. And we wash their underarms.
P.U. Ooh.
Underarms.
Ooh, Bailey. Ooh.
And we wash around the neck. Make sure she gets around the neck because that's where all the milk goes around the neck.
I like that.
All the milk.
I like the milk smell under the neck.
You know, we gotta
That's
smell
my
good.
favorite one.
Then we wash the little feet because her feet is always sweaty. Little feet is always
Ooh,
sweaty.
you stink.
Yep. And that's how we usually do it here.
She likes it.
She loves the water.
Baby, you love baths. Oh, you're cute.
And then I take these holes here and then I rinse her hair.
Look at her bone straight hair. Like her daddy.
Warm for her.
She got bone straight hair like her daddy.
Now we rinse it off. Bailey has beautiful hair. It's a little on the thin side, but it's very fine.
Just like her daddy, she has
Really fine, thin
fine hair.
Yeah. But it's soft and beautiful. That's all. Look how pretty.
Bailey, you're pretty.
She looks like Betty Boop in that Betty Boop.
What a pretty little girl you are. Wow. What a good girl you are. You love the water, huh?
She loves it. Yeah, I like taking a bath. It's loads of
Wow.
fun. Loads of fun. Loads of fun. Taking a bath is loads of fun because I get so clean. I get clean. I get clean. Yeah.
You're excited.
Yeah. I get clean. That's right. Bailey gets clean. I'm going to turn her to her side. Wash the bottom. Make sure we get her clean because she's going to have a photo shoot today.
Yeah, we're going to have our Christmas photo shoot. You already have all kinds of photo shoot, little Bailey. You haven't even been in this world by like 4 months. You're exactly 4 months old right now.
Exactly 4 months.
Exactly 4 months old, and you've been having more photo shoot than me and your mom, almost.
And we've had some photo shoots.
That's what I'm saying. You're just everywhere. In the house, you know, your photos are everywhere. You have all these photo albums everywhere. And yes, we love you. That's why. We just want to capture every moment. Yes, Daddy loves you. Mommy loves you. And everybody around you loves you because you are a little baby and you're a precious little angel. All right? We love you.
Love you, Bailey Rose.
Today is November 1st, 2009.
Sunday morning.
Sunday morning. And we're just getting some breakfast. We're going to get ready to go to church. And then we're going to go to your photo shoot. Love you, Bailey. You'll see this one day and you see, wow, I was a little girl.
How silly I was in that tub.
Love you. See you soon. Bye-bye.